Hello and welcome to the video. Well, in this video, we're gonna learn about how we're gonna make our own Python package and gonna upload it on the PyPI, pypi.org, and where all the Python packages available over there. For example, NumPy, Pandas, and etc. Like whatever you name it, you're gonna download from over here into your machine, and you're gonna start leveraging that. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna build our package, which is gonna be simple for sure. We're gonna build that package, upload it on the PyPI, and from over there we're gonna install our own package by running the command pip install, and from that we're gonna install it on our system and start using that. So it is gonna complete cycle, and you can go as complex as you want. So let's start coding right now, so you're gonna have a practical experience and how we're gonna do the things. Over here I have a desktop right now, clean desktop. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new folder and I'm gonna name it Python pip, and then I'm gonna boot up my PyCharm. It's gonna take a while depending on the system speed. So now, okay, so as PyCharm is open, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open our that specific folder which we created now, and if you find over here, it's over here, Python pip. Yes, I trust this folder. So here's our folder right now, and now what's the next step would be, we're gonna go and create a directory. We're gonna go and create a directory over here for init method, and we're gonna name that folder Sheikh Faizan calculator. That's my name. So the folder has been created. Now we're gonna create a Python file. We're gonna name it _init__. .py, which is our init file. Okay, so what we're gonna do over here, we can create any sort of program over here, any sort. You can go as complex as you want. This is how package build. So over here, I'm not gonna go too much complication. I'm just gonna create a simple function which gonna do multiplication, a simple multiplication. I'm gonna name it multiplication num1 and num2. I just pass the parameters, and I'm gonna return num1, yes, and multiply by num2. It's so simple. You can print hello world, you can put statistics in it, you can do whatever you want. It depends on you, and I encourage you to do something so amazing so other people can use it like in a efficient way. After that, what we're gonna do, we need to create a license file. How are we gonna create license.txt, and we're gonna go and put MIT license in it. I just copied that before, and you can go and search MIT license, and it's predefined. I just copied and pasted it over here. Copyright 2022 Sheikh Faizan Salim, and that's it. Other than that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create another Python file. I'm gonna name it setup.py. That's important. And we need to drag it down to the root folder. That's important. That's really important. After that, I need to import setup tools over here. And that's really crucial. Okay, after setup tools, I need to do some code. Setup tools dot setup, and name of the package would be, I think, Sheikh Faizan calculator is fine. And yeah, it should be unique. If that not gonna be unique and not gonna upload and access that, so that's fine. Sheikh Faizan calculator. Then I'm gonna pass another argument, which is version, major, minor, and the batch 0, 0, 1. And I hope you know that. And the author of the project, obviously, Sheikh Faizan, like that. Okay. After that, author email, it's gonna be my email, 786fzsalim@gmail.com. That's my email. Okay. After that, we need to pass another argument, and which is description. And we need to define description really basic. A basic multiplication package, like that. We don't need to go in much detail, but yeah, I encourage you, when you just made any package, you just go as detailed as you can. Okay, so that's really important. Then package, setup tools, find package. That's really important. After that, the classifier. That's a crucial thing. Okay, what's in that? Let me tell you. Programming language depends, like that specific package depends on Python 3. So we are not gonna say it's depend on Python 1, Python 2, 3, Python 3.1, 3.1, Python 3. That's enough. Which means it's not gonna work on the Python 2. It should be Python 3 available in the system. License, it's MIT license, so which we already mentioned that. So which means it's an open source code. Anybody can leverage it and use that. After that, the operating system, it's independent operating system. It's not dependent on the Linux, iOS, and other Windows. So it doesn't matter about the operating system. So now we gonna hop up to the terminal in order to run some commands. So first we need to check that our package is working. There is no error on the code. So we need to just go into the folder for our package, which is Sheikh Faizan calculator, and over here we have to run the Python interactive terminal by typing Python I init.py, which is the file we need to run. And yeah, we are in that. Okay, maybe I just made some mistake. Okay, yeah, maybe I did a typo. And when I there, okay, 3206, it's working. So let me check another time again. 66036. Okay, that's working fine. So well, till now we just worked fine. Now we're gonna exit the terminal, which means our system is working. Now we just gonna go to the root folder again, and now we need to run super important command, which is pip install setup tools wheels. Okay, I'm gonna explain you what wheel does. Setup tool is a package for the development process and library designed to create and distributing Python packages. So this is what setup tools does. And we just type setup tools, specifically wheels. And what wheel does? Wheel is a package provided bdist underscore wheel command for setup tools. We just type setup tools wheels. Okay, we just discuss about the setup tools, what it does, and what wheel does, what allow your package and allow your code to go into the PyPI and the community platform. And through that, not only that, it gonna allow your package to install globally to anyone's PC by typing pip install your package name. This is the wheel does in a nutshell. So that's what we are doing right now. So when we just run the command, it's already satisfied the requirement because it's already installed in my system. Then we need to install pip install twine. Okay, what twine does, let me tell you that as well. Twine is the package provided a secure connection through the user and authenticate the users and verify the connection and create a secure connection from you to the PyPI platform and your system. So it's gonna be provide a secure connection. This is what basically twine does. And when I hit run, so it obviously my system is already satisfied the requirement because I already have that in my system. So now what we're gonna do is we need to install pip install tqdm. Okay, let's discuss tqdm as well. Basically, this is a smart progress meter. This is a progress meter provided by the Python, and we don't have to deal it with directly. It gonna internally work with the twine tool. So that's what it does. So we don't have to worry about a lot of things about the TQDM package. But we need to run that. That's the crucial step now. Python setup .py bdist underscore wheel. So now if you have a look on the folders structure, so there are a couple of folders just added in our system. There's a dist folder, there's a bdist.win, and some other folders just got in. So it's a confirmation that we just ran the command successfully. Then we need to go to pypi.org, and if you're gonna see over here, I just already logged in because I have the account. I have account over here, but we're not gonna use right away because I want you to go step by step and scratch and learn how to do the things. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log out my account like this, and from right here from the scratch I'll tell you how to register your account. So when you click on the register, it'll gonna be that sort of form, which is like not rocket science. You're gonna fill out the form, it's gonna provide you an email, and you just verify that email and your account gonna be created. I have already that, and I just directly gonna log in, and here you can see in my portfolio there are 4 projects already up over there. It's already up there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw our project which we build right now onto the PyPI. How we do that? We need to run a command twine upload -- repository -- URL https upload pypi.org /legacy dist /7, and when I hit run, you're gonna ask my username. You're gonna type my username, Sheikh Faizan. You're gonna ask my password. I'm gonna enter my password, and I'm gonna hit run. And it's gonna uploading my package, and you can view at pypi.org Sheikh Faizan calculator package. When I'm gonna hit run, refresh, you're gonna see Sheikh Faizan calculator package is up over there, and it just uploaded 20 seconds ago. You can install it by writing pip install Sheikh Faizan calculator. You can copy it from the clipboard, and we just did basic Python package for multiplication, MIT license. Sheikh Faizan is author, maintainer, MIT approved, operating system independent, and we just provided that things. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy it like that, and we're gonna test it out by installing and hitting pip install package name. So again, we are into our terminal, and we just simply copy that because we already copied that from the clipboard. Now we just pip install for Sheikh Faizan calculator is just downloaded in our system. And now what we're gonna do, we need to import Sheikh Faizan calculator by that, and Sheikh Faizan calculator dot multiplication. We just have to pass the argument 3 and 3 3s and 9. Yes, it's working. So we're gonna test it one more time again. Sheikh Faizan calculator multiplication, and we're gonna say it 2 into 5 is gonna be 10, and which means it's working. So through this you can install it from any part of the world, and by running the command pip install and the package name. So we're gonna import it one more time. Sheikh Faizan calculator as calc multiplication, and we're gonna say 5 into 3 and hit enter. So it's 15. So it's working now. So in this video we just learned about how we create the package, how we can upload it into the PyPI, and through that how we can install it through running the command pip install and our package name. So at the end of the video, I just wanted to say try to be contribute to the community, because it's really good to contribute, and it's always good to be a creator, not the consumer. If we all gonna consume the code, who gonna push the technology? And it's good to create the package and upload on to the PyPI, but I just really suggest you, it's fine for learning and to play around with the code and things. You can create hello world code and create a package. You can do basic calculations and upload that, but I really suggest you to create something useful, because I know, and there's no such filters in the PyPI. You can upload anything, any sort of code, but your time is really important, other developers' time is really important. So I just suggest you to create something really efficient, really useful, and it's gonna give benefit to your portfolio, to you, and gonna grow you, and it's gonna create a win-win situation. So try to create something good so other people are gonna leverage that. And if you learned something in this video, do let me know, and hopefully you just learned something new in this video. And do let me know if there's further more things you want to know and you want to learn, and if there's something missing in the video, you just do let me know that as well. So this is it for now in the video. See you in the next time.